All right. So we are back on the legacy server, and after about an hour's worth of work here, I've introduced some of our kids to the MCKids Academy Bank, where they can deposit their money and earn interest on the jobs that they are actually doing. So I think I've got 3 jobs right now. We are live and recording. Yes, I have 3 jobs. So those are the letters that are beside my name to the left. I'm a miner, a builder, and a woodworker. Okay. So Daniel wants to be in it. Sure. Oopsie. What am I doing here? Let's just say sure. Hang on one sec. It's just one thing I need to fix. There we go. That's better. Now, so normally we make our way around Spawn Village, where we have some interesting things that adorn our world, to the Canada150 world. So in the Canada150 world, there are no restrictions to building, unlike our Plot Me world. And the kids are really enjoying that, which is a lot of fun. Now, I need to teleport to Daniel, I believe. There we go. And let's see what they have built. Oh, I did send you a TP. Okay. Oh, look at this. This is colorful. This looks like, oh, it is. Yeah, a train station. Great. Are we at Marcando? Marcando? Oh, yes, we are. We are at the Marcando train station. Awesome. So I need to grab a... Okay. What direction do we have to go in? Okay, you guys. Follow us? Sure. I will follow you. I need a minecart, don't I? I need a minecart! I need a minecart! I need to place that down. And then, okay, somebody has given me a... potion. Effects. Okay. Yep, I'm coming. Alright, so, yes. Flattest world there is. In Minecraft, the earth is flat. Ah, here we are. Coming up to a town. And... Oh, do we have to stop here? I'm not really sure. Oh, were they waiting for me? I'm not sure. Yes, 111th Street. Okay, we've gone from Marcando to 111th Street. Let's keep going. And that's a very nice little town passing by. Ah, the next station is Belmore. Boy, these, I think 3, have been very busy. Very, very busy. They really enjoy building these tracks throughout our Canada150 world, taking us from some of our older builds that are a part of our Canada150 server that I copied and pasted over there to doing some new things now, which I'm going to show you in some future videos, because the kids have been really active watching a lot of YouTube videos and how to build videos, and some of the stuff that they've... Wow, these tracks are long. Yeah! Hi, Nick. Yep, they are long. But you know, I really like the stations themselves. They're reminiscent of the SkyTrain stations that we have here. Cool. And we are at Belmore. Oops, no, I don't want to go this way. No, not that way. Yikes. Yikes. Okay. Back we go. Okay, I'm coming. Away you go. Go, go, go. Yes, we're in Balmoral, but you go. Go. Go, guys. I did. I did. Keep going. Keep going. Belmore. Alright. Let's put this down and let's head out to... What is the next station? What's the next station? Let's see. All right, and we're arriving at the next station, which apparently is a surprise, I think. I hope it's not a scary surprise. Halloween is coming up. Let's see. 133rd Street. Cool. 133rd Street. Well, let's keep going. And the button's fun. Let's go. And we're coming up to the next station, which is, let's see, surprise, surprise. Let's see. We are at Clayton. Clayton, cool. And we continue on. From Clayton, let's see where we go next. All right, and apparently we are at the Wyatt Bridge. Ooh, look at this. Beautiful. That is a pretty cool bridge, you guys. Well done. Wow. And another station. Here we are. Here we are at 192nd Street. All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Wow. All right. Are we going to head underground? I wonder. This is probably the most extensive railway that we have on any of our worlds here at MCKids. These guys have been very, very busy. Now, what station are we at now? Port Go. Port Go. Cool. And look at this. All right. Yeah, I'm coming. Ah. Let's see. Wow, what's this? Oh my gosh. Okay. This is pretty interesting. Oh yes, and we're at the stone. Ah, someone's throwing potions at me. 144th? Hang on. I think we're at 144th. And I need to come back here so that I can keep going. Hi, Nick. Your minecart is off the tracks. Yeah, that's true. Let's just keep going. See where it takes us. Here we go. Oh, look, it's going to take us. Is it going to take us through the stone forest? Oh, we got to go through Canada150. This is our village build. And I think that to the left, that is our Halloween build. One of them. Ooh, look at this. Where are we now? Let's see. We are at 64, I think. Something like that. This is the backside of the, this was actually Canada's first stamp. Believe it or not. It's called the Beaver. The 3 pence. Canada postage stamp. I can't remember the year that it was actually made. Oh, we are going underground. Oh, okay. Ah, no. I can't do this. Okay, there it goes. No. Alright. Let's place this and keep going. There we go. Woo! Okay. Anime Fangirl Station. Alright, cool. That's cool. And we keep going. Alright. We are underground and we are at the St. Patrick's Way. Very cool. Let's go. Things are getting a little more interesting. Let's see where we end up. And the next station was 9th Street. And we still get potions. Nick and your potions. That's funny. Okay, let's keep going. Nick, you coming? Maybe he is. Yep, here he comes. Oh dear. No, 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 no. No, we don't want to go backwards. We want to go forwards. Here we go. Alright, let's keep going. There we go. Oh, whoa. Wait a second. Am I going the right direction? Okay. Yeah, pretty impressive. Impressive. Oops, now we're going... What? I think we're going the wrong way now. Yep. Okay, let's go this way. Okay, we'll go. Let's go. Oh, see? Oh, no. I hate it when that happens. There we go. I'm gonna have to try to knock this next rail off the tracks. Are we going up? Looks like we're going up. We're going up, and it's nighttime. Oh, okay, someone's throwing some more potions at me. I wonder if this comes full circle. Like, do we come right back to the very first station? Oopsie. Oh no, not again. Okay, there we go. We're at Valleywood now. Cool. Valleywood. Alright, I've been told there's a little bit more. Let's see what happens up ahead. Oh. Okay. Oh, I don't want to hit your rail car there, Mr. Dankman. Let's see where we went. Let's go. Go. And, whoa, oh, okay. And down to, we are at, where are we? Templeton. Okay. Alright, we just finished, we left 2 other stations. I think the last one was King Blazon, and now we are coming upon some of the other mega builds that the kids have been working on. And, let's see, we are now at the, we are at Modern Town. Okay, let's go. Modern Town. Wall of Fame. Cool. And another station here. Parkour Way. Cool. Let's see. This is Parkour Way. Oh. Yeah, really, the great thing about having a world like this on any server, especially a server for kids that really like to be creative or do, you know, build their rails and bridges and fun things like this, is it creates an unlimited opportunity for them to really. Oopsie, hang on. Really be able to explore the what interests them most. Let me just see now. If we could just keep going. Let's see what's up ahead. I think there's a Canadian flag coming up. And I think, you know, it'd be fun to see villages built up where the stops are to create a little bit more interest, maybe. Would also sort of help us orientate where we are. This is changes. No more Wyatt line anymore. Okay. And this is the pilot line. All right. Let's see where this takes us. Through some of our older builds. So this server, sorry, this particular world has been up for probably close to a year now, which is a lot of fun. And again, all the things that you see here are based on historic builds. Nice, Daniel. we're kind of like stuck together here, aren't we? Oh no! No, 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 no! Oh, that's the one thing that just... gotta get rid of this so the next person doesn't end up doing the same thing. There we go. And let's go in here and set ourselves down on the track and keep going. Oh, there's some beautiful stuff out there. That house. Really nice. I think that's one of our admins constructed that. We're going through another Canadian flag. And to another station. So I think this is probably about, what, the 4th video that I've done now on the rail system throughout Canada150. There's a little bit of an irony to that, which is the fact that Canada was in fact... Oh yeah, we're coming back now to the stand. Oh! Okay, somebody broke the line. I guess that's the end of our line. Or maybe it's under construction. But the rail was built across Canada and joined many towns together and helped create new ones. In fact, it was the CN rail that had an entire engineering firm that came up with designs that were a part of each of the stops on the Canada National Railway. And those plans can actually be found online, I believe, and probably also in your local library. And there were some very simple plans for housing and some of those basic buildings that are needed to be built when one does just construct a town from scratch, which is really cool. So thank you, you guys. This was very fun. I think next time what we'll do is we'll try to just focus on a few of the stops, and we can let me just type this in here. I'm here. All right. Thanks, you guys. We stopped back at the Stone Forest. This was built during one of our week-long camps. It is in fact using World Edit. We converted this to stone. We layered in some interesting ores, and then this is now, I believe it's a mob arena. I think it is a mob arena, yes, in Mob Alley. So cool. Good night, you guys. Thank you so much. This has been quite the railway epic adventure. Good night.